Hey Legends, welcome back to January's broadcast. I'm Serena.
And I'm Zaina.
And this is our second broadcast of the year.
Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Instagram.
Lawler had their 6th annual STEAM night this year.
Let's go check it out.
Lawler Middle School's Career STEAM Night is an event designed to ignite your curiosity and provide valuable insight into various science, technology, engineering, art, mathematics careers. Students who participate in Career STEAM Night will get to learn about 3 STEAM-related careers of their choice. In addition to exploring STEAM careers, students will have a chance to witness the incredible projects of your fellow students at the LMS Science Fair. Students will also get to marvel at the ingenuity displayed by robotic projects and view the artistic creations created by our talented peers. It's a night dedicated to celebrating the passion and innovation that our Lawler Middle School community brings to the world of STEAM.
Let's go check out Vihon A's win in the Lawler and District Spelling Bee. Vihon A won the school and district spelling bee. Congratulate him in the hallway and wish him good luck on the county bee coming up soon. You won the Lawler Middle School spelling bee?
Yeah.
So how was it?
It was pretty hard. I mean, there were some really good competitors. I had and it was also hard competing with people who were above my grade level. But I've just managed to do it by just studying.
How was it studying, and the preparation for it?
I had to study for an hour or 2 a day. I had to spend a lot of my time studying. So sometimes my parents would cancel my classes so I could study a little bit.
That's good. And then how was the district spelling bee?
The district spelling bee was twice as hard because they went into some really hard words and words that were they had really weird pronunciations, and I had to just get them from memory. I just wanted to advance to the next levels because it would be a cool experience to be able to go high. And I wanted to get on the Dallas bee so I can be in the news.
Oh, thank you for your time today.
You're welcome.
Wow, that was interesting. Hey, Serena, do people ever call you Serena Williams?
Actually, yeah, sometimes they do. Speaking of her, we have the tennis playoffs coming up. Let's go check them out.
Okay. Why did you join the tennis team, and how long have you been playing tennis?
I joined the tennis team because I'm really good at tennis, and I've been playing tennis for about 4 to 5 years.
How excited are you about the tennis playoffs?
The tennis playoffs, I'm really excited because this is this is the first time in 2 years we have placed against a hard team.
How are you preparing for the playoffs?
Just win it.
Who do you think is the toughest opposing school?
Fowler, but we're just gonna beat them.
Who do you think is the best tennis player in the team, and why?
I think I'm the best tennis player in the team because everyone else is they're not better than me.
If you had an opportunity to play any professional tennis player, who would you play and why?
I would play Carlos Alcaraz because he's I admire him because he is really good, and I always been a big fan, and I play like him.
Wait, was that you?
No. Wait, do you smell that?
I think it's coming from Mr. Smith's room.
Let's go see what it is.
Salt is a teaspoon and 1/4 a tablespoon. So we can shake, round and roll. And then as you can smell, I use garlic. I'm going to take a stick of butter. A stick of butter is 1/2 a cup. We're going to open it, and we got 2 things to do with it. We're going to use our pastry blender to mix it in. So we're going to take our butter knife, we're going to cut it down the middle. We're going to take our wrapper, our pan, and we're just going to lightly butter our pan. So we save on butter. So now it won't stick. So I've taken that, I'm going to throw it away. Add and stir. Obviously, we want them the same size so they cook at the same temperature. Cook at the same temperature. They cook at the same time, so some won't be burnt, some won't be raw.
Yeah, no, I'm not going
That was so yummy.
And you said your stomach wasn't growling.
I swear it wasn't.
Whatever. Well, I guess that wraps things
Wait,
up.
no, we have one more thing left.
Oh, oops. My bad.
Let's go check out some fun trivia with our fellow legends.
Hi guys, today we're doing Guess the Logo, and today I'm here with
Anvasia, Sammy, and Adam.
3, 2, 1.
I know how to spell it.
3,
Oh, we were supposed to
2, 1.
Oh, shit.
3, 2, 1.
I don't know.
2, 1.
I don't know. No idea. Oh, wait. I'm so lost.
3, 2, 1.
Her, mainly. She read that probably.
3, 2, 1.
I really forgot what this is. This is not 5 seconds,
2,
Kennedy. This is 2
1.
seconds.
I need to finish writing it.
3, 2,
What?
1.
What are you writing? She wrote Pringles. He said, what is it, Sammy? I need to finish writing it.
WNBA.
WNBA.
3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is the grand finale. What is this?
Oh.
I got it first.
How did you guys get it? This is the logo.
Wait, what?
It's a shipping company. Doo-doo. Now, contestants, view your rankings.
No, second place, loser. Loser. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for watching.
You're not, that's all. Anyways, once again, make sure to check out our Instagram and like and subscribe.